Nicely hidden.
Oh. Get underneath
Shit,
the
shit.
Ready?
Watch out. Respawn.
Watch out!
How the fuck are we pinned up front?
Watch out, hallway.
No, what the fuck? Ah, fuck. Was that friendly? Oh, fuck. Holy shit.
Somebody go underneath my barrel.
That would hit.
I'm a dead man, I can't say.
Welcome back, guys.
Where are they at? Is there any behind?
I'm dead, sorry.